So today we are see actually we have done with connecting two different networks. Okay, so I have uploaded that video already. Today we are going to connect and start communication between three different networks. Okay, so we will take three routers, one, two, three, right, and three switches because we have to connect multiple PCs actually. So yeah, for that we need three different routers, three different switches. Now we need the connecting devices. So yeah, we'll take PCs. One, two, three, four, five, six, right? Now we'll connect them with wires. Okay. Okay. You connect every device need to be connected. You see something like that here. You are already what happening there. Oh yeah, okay. I will come back on this. Okay, let me first remove it. Okay, now then. What's happening there? I will explain you. Wait a minute. First, let me connect every system here. See, routers only have two ports for a particular set of settings. Like see here, if I go here and if I zoom in, like see, we need to attach some extra. Like here we have only two ports, so one we need to attach any Ethernet. Like which one? WMIC something like that. I can attach. One, two. Attach this one. This no. This no. This can be. I hope so. No, this is not going to be. Wait a minute. Okay. Acha, problem is like that. We have to off right now. So I have to switch off it. Then I need to connect it. Okay. So which one? Yeah, Ethernet. Yeah. See here, it's written Ethernet. Okay. So I'm going to connect this and now switch on. Okay. Now back here. Okay. See now what what will happen. Now I'll be able to connect with this. See, because that time I had only two port here, no? So one extra, like it gave us like we can connect other devices also. Like if we need more connection, then yeah, here spaces are there, we can connect. Sorry. Okay. Now what IP will assign? So let me. Yeah, what happened to this system? 10.0.0.2. Okay, let me stop it and I will assign, then I will open it. But you know, like just I'm writing, so it will take time. So if you all can see right now, I have written all the IPs here. See here, for each port. Okay, so this is for port F0/1. This is for port 0/0. This is for port 0/3.0. So yeah, I have written IP like this here everywhere. I have mentioned it. Okay, so right now I haven't assigned IP to any of the devices, but just right now I have written so that I can assign it that time whenever I am going to assign. So you can either take any IP or just for practice you can this one only. So now I'm going to assign IP to. So for the first thing, For one PC I will show you, then I will stop it. So because it will take time only. So I will stop that one, then I will come back. So one PC I'm showing in the same way you will do for every PCs. Listen, every PCs I'm saying, okay? So I'm doing for PCs right now. So open, go to desktop and IP configuration, okay? Now here, what is the PCIe 0.0.0.0.2? Hit enter and see one thing. Now we need to connect with this network. So we need we need to communicate with different networks. Right? In that case, we need this outer IP. So that is the default gateway router IP 10.0.0.1. Okay, now done. Similarly, I will do for this. Okay, in case of this, what will happen? In this case, my router IP will change. Okay, so I'm going to assign this one also for you. 50.0.0.2, and in this case this is falls in this network, so router IP will be this. Okay, similarly for this PC, router IP that is default gateway will be this. Okay, so 50.0.0.1. Okay, this way you can assign, and after assigning, come back, I will also assign them. Okay, so I have assigned IPs to each and every PC, and if you feel like any problem, so you can watch my other videos where I have established connection between two different networks. Like here, three different network. Network one is there, network. This is the network second, and this is the network third. So in this case, like I have done the same thing, so it's like not doing here. Okay, but I have also told you how to do. Okay, in this video also, like you can watch other videos there on the my channel. So yeah, for that will be easy. Now main thing is like here, like how we are going to assign IP to this router. This is also I've already done when I taught about connecting two networks. So just okay, I will do this here on. See, this is for router 0. Okay, so I'm coming here and let me now be careful and do whatever I'm doing. Say no here. Now enable to go into the user mode. Now configure terminal to go into the privilege mode. Now from here, we need to select the interface. Like for which interface I am assigning IP, that need to be selected. Interface fast Ethernet 0/0. For this port I am assigning is 0/0. So I have to select that port. Okay. Now IP address. Okay. What is the IP address of that port? 0/1. And since you know that whenever you also have tried, whenever you were assigning IP to PC and when you hit the enter, you saw something changes. There is subnet mask. So that subnet mask to be done, I written here because we are doing manually. So now this is assigned. And one more thing, no shutdown. It is necessary because to make this router off, like this port off for ready for connection. Okay, so no shutdown. Now done. Hit enter. Now come back into the, just go one step back. So just write exit. Okay, now here I need to select the second interface like there, because it has two interface, 0/1, 0/0. So 0/1 we have assigned IP. Now we are going to assign IP for 0/1. Okay, fast system is 0/1. Okay, IP address, repeat the same process, write the IP 20.0.0.1, subnet mask here. Okay, now done. Now better place control share and enter. It will bring you in user mode. Now here, write one command. So IP interface brief. Okay, so this will tell you the what are the IP you have assigned to which port. Okay, and with see here I forgot to do no shutdown. Here see, here I have done in this case no shutdown. So it is off here, ready for connection, and here it is actually status is also down because we have forgot to do no sound, but I will do it later on. Okay, after this. So see, this is how you check. This is the IP assigned to port 0/0, and this is IP you have assigned to port 0/1. Okay, now get back and do no shutdown first. Okay, now go into configuration, terminal, and interface, fast Ethernet 0/1, and do no shutdown. Okay, okay. Now it is done. You can check it also, like into and what happened here. So IP interface, right? Interface, right. Now see here, it is up. See here, it is down because these routers need to be assigned IP. Okay, so it will become off right now. It's not off actually because of that, but here status is off, and this is off because here all systems are assigned IP already. So these networks are ready for communications. Okay, but right now, okay, these networks are ready for communication. You can even check also. Like I can ping any PC in this network 10.0.0.2, and I will get 100% success rate here. See, maybe 80% some packets in the initial it lost, so yeah, now 100%. Okay, like this we are ready for, like, this PC also can ping the routers. Okay, similarly we can assign IP here, but I'm doing checking here also. Okay, first let me do some settings. Like this is black, actually not looking good, not visible actually here, font, and yeah, PC console background, make it white. Creator apply, let me check whether it is good or not. Yeah, it is good. You can change settings from there actually. How I have gone, like option and then preference, like this here. Come back and yeah. Now let me ping to the router 0.0.1. Okay. See, I'm getting reply actually. So similarly, I can ping this PC1, and yeah, I'm getting reply. So can we get reply from 20.0.0.1? What do you say? Tell me. This is not traceable because it is not actually off and not in this net. See, this is the different network, this is the different network. So for that we need to do routing and all that. So just wait for that. Till now, just now assign IP to this. Similarly, we are going to assign. Now I think you all are very much familiar if you follow my other videos too. No, enable configure terminal interface. Now tell me what interface you are going to assign. 0/0. Okay. Now IP address. You guys also can tell me like what is the IP address? See, what is the IP address of 0/0? Yeah, you're right. See, so this is the IP address. You just go if you follow my other videos also. This also. So yeah, this is C 20.0.0. This is, and what is the subnet mask? And if you like in any of you are the repeater ones, like doing watching my this video before you have already watched the ones, then you will remember why I am writing subnet mask this, because this belongs to class AIP and no shutdown. Okay, so yeah, now exit, then select interface, fast ethernet 0/1. So yeah, what is the IP of this? Tell me what is the IP? 0/1 IP 30. Okay, 30.0.0.1, 255.0.0.0. And no shutdown. Okay, now on exit. Here you have to be cautious now. Okay, now first select internet interface. Okay, interface. No, tell me, like 0/1 interface is now, but this was fast ethernet. Okay, now it is ethernet, so that now you have to select ethernet, and ethernet interface will be this. Okay, and now assign IP address. Very clear. Okay, very clear. Like that time we were communicating or assigning IP to fast ethernet. Now we are assigning IP to the ethernet because we have connected a ethernet or device there. Okay, so for that, and IP is 50.0.0.1 to 55.0.0.0. Okay, no shutdown. Now in you tell me like what I'll do now. Next. Anything you have idea what I will do? I will control Z, I will press enter, and then I will check whether my IPs are assigned correctly to the port I was supposed to assign or not, and they are off or not. So IP interface brief. Okay, this time what happening, like I have written BR and just I'm hitting tab to complete auto complete the tab. Okay, auto complete the command. Okay, see, I have assigned 0/0 this, 0/0 this one, 0/1 30, and this one the 50. Now all see, this is down actually. Okay, 21. Now you keep your eye here. Initially, this was down because this was not assigned. Okay, so now see, this one is assigned, so now it is up. Okay, similarly, this is down because this is not assigned, so it will be assigned, then it will be also get up. It will be up. Now we'll come back and assign IP to this. Okay, now I think everyone that is smart now they can do yourself, do before me, and I that will be good for you all. Hope so. You will do, all of you do before me. What? Don't wait. Okay. Into this first internet 0/0. What is the? Tell me what is the IP of this? 30.0.0. Oh, देखो. IP address 30.0.0.2 to 55.0.0.0. Okay. Now no shutdown. Okay. Exit. Interface, fast Ethernet, 0/1, IP address 40.0.0.1 to 45.0.0.0. Okay, no shutdown, exit, exit. Okay, now show IP interface, brave. Okay, now see everything up now right now. So I hope everyone you are done with assigning IP. And if you face any problem, then just go back and watch again. But try yourself first, okay? You have seen me assigning IP with router 0, then do for router 1 and do for router 2 by yourself so that it will be easy for you also. Mostly remember commands, what I am doing, why I am doing like that. Now, we have assigned IP to each routers, each PC. See, everything has turned into green, okay? Because they are assigned IP, but now the main thing starts now. Okay, see, we have assigned IP to everything here, like every devices. But now you can't make any communication from this network into this network, neither from router 0 network to router 1 network. Why? Because for that we need routing. Okay, routing because information about these PCs, okay, or these PCs, like I'll suppose that PC2 wants to ping any device in this network, then this router must have information like where it will send packet. I suppose that this is my PC. I pinged 10.0.0 packet started going from here. Here it will come like, and suppose this router does not have information about these PCs, like where it will send packet because it does not know. You, if you someone asks you like I have to go from like Malvinagar. You are living in Delhi right now. Suppose someone asks you I have to go Malvinagar, and you have don't you don't have any idea like where is Malvinagar. So how you will tell him? You will, I don't know. So in the same way, it will wait and try, and it will discard that package, or it will say unreachable. So it will say like that. Okay, so it will come back and say host is unreachable or like timeout and something like that. It will say okay. So this is why routing is important. So if someone like told you like earlier, see from here Malvinagar, you can go like this. Okay, so you have idea, so you can guide anyone from there only. Okay, so this is what. Right now I'm tired actually. Wait a minute. Wait for a few minutes. I will continue it after that. So yeah, now we're going to prepare routing table. Okay. Mm-hmm. Hit enter, enable. Before that, I will show you something. So IP route. Okay. See here. Here when we check routing route here. So IP route. So currently, here only two output you are getting. Okay. That this network is directly connected to this port, and 20.8.0 is network connected directly with this. So this network is directly connected like this. Now, when we will route it perfectly, then we will see that some additional data here, some additional information which will tell like how the thing will flow from one network to another. So we'll come back here and we'll see that. Now, tell me one thing. If you have seen, if you have watched my earlier video when I have explained about connection between two different networks, so in that case you will remember carefully, like suppose I'm asking you think like how many different networks are there for this. Just think, like here, if you see, this is a different IP, this is a different IP, and this is a different IP. So three different IP represent means it's not a different IP. See, this is also different IP, but no, it's like a different network. This belongs to 50, this belongs to 30, and this belongs to 40. So three different networks are there. So for this router, we have to do routing for three different networks. Okay, three different networks we have to do routing for that. Okay, so just remember the number of as much as networks you add, then routings you have to do for every, because you want to establish communication between different networks. Okay, so now we will do that. So get back into the configure terminal, privilege mode. Now, how to do routing if you are new? Just be careful and see here, IP route, and see. Firstly, tell me the what will be the network IP of this network. So network IP is always the first IP of that network. Okay, first IP. So network, see, this is the first IP. Okay, so this is will be the network IP, because we are connecting with this network. We are saying this router, like any request from either it originate from this any host from this network for this network, 50 network, then how to redirect. Okay, how to redirect. First, I will assign the like default what subnet mask, then where to forward. Then it will say, bro, if request for 50 network, then forward it to this host, this 20.0.0. This because this is the next hop. Okay, this is the next hop. Means from here, like if I my PC that belongs to network 10 requested or ping any devices in network 50, then what will happen? These routers will have data. Okay, if request for this PC, so I will forward to this, and I don't know what this PC this router will do. So further, like at least now the packet will come here. Earlier the packet was reaching up to here only, but now due to this routing, packet will come up to here now. Okay, now further we will do the same for make it reachable to this PC. Okay, so now with one step we have shown him, okay, from Malvinagar you go there. Okay, at least this much you can tell now. Okay, so this is what I'm saying. So this is what we have done here. Okay, we're going to hit enter. So this is we have done now. Now suppose, so we have done for this. Okay, this. Now what about this? Okay, so for this, and what about this? So now tell me, for this, tell me, what is the network IP of this? IP root network IP, because this belongs to 40, so network IP will be, yeah, that's right. Okay, 40 dot now subnet mask 0.0.0. So what I'm saying, like if any request from this network comes to you, router bro, you, if come to you, then you just forward to the next hop. See, for this network, this is going to be the next hop. Like, okay, so forward to this. Okay, so it will forward to this. Now, see, one thing I will tell you. Okay, just hit enter. See, this will appear here. Okay, this will appear here, but I have also routed this, but this will not appear because currently we have not established any network routing for this network. Okay, so let me do let me see show you something. We'll come back and so IP route. See what I said? Only the 50% this will be reflected and this will not reflected because it does not have any routing about 30 network. Any routing table is not prepared for 30 network. So as I will add that network, it will automatically get reflected here. Okay, so get back into the configuration terminal, and now IP route. So which network? This 30 network. Okay, 255.0.0.0. And what is the next hop for this? Give it, like, send it here. If any net IP for this, then send it here. Just send it 20.0.0.2. Now see, exit and use the same command you use. See, you got reflected here. This was not reflected earlier, right? This was 41 was not reflected now, but now, as I said, this now is reflected. So we have established connection for this. Now any packet for this from this network, if I try to ping, suppose, tell me what will happen if I try to ping 40 40.0.0.2. Do you think it will able to ping? You just think and tell me. You just think, like, do you think it is going to ping or not? Why? Because if I have to route every network now, okay? Okay. But what about this PC? Tell me. Where I am right now. Pin 40.0.0.2. Okay, just wait and see what going to happen. See, actually, yeah. Now, see, actually we have routed, but I need to route for every router. Okay. Now let me complete that also. I have done routing this. Okay. Now let's come here. Let's come here and hit enter, enable, configure, terminal. No, no, no. IP route. Tell me, any one of you, like, how many network will be for this? Okay, just before that, you better do one thing. You just back here and check here. So IP route. It will tell you how many network it is only connected to two network. This 31 and this 41. So for this router 2, this is unknown, this is unknown, and this is unknown. So you have to connect that. Okay. Now everything is like that only. Configure terminal, IP route, and IP route हो गया. Okay, so now I am connecting for this 50 network. Just tell me what is the network. Now I think you all are that much aware what to write or what not to write. And what is the next of 31? I'm going to take it 31 next of. Hit enter. Similarly do for press upper arrow, so it will take like this. Okay, now I'm going to connect for this 21. Okay, then next hop will be this only. Just place here 20. Okay, now what about this 14? Next hop will be 20.1 and 10. Okay, now come back. So IP route. Okay, see, everything is done now perfectly. Now come for this. Tell me what we will do first. Do tell me first what we will do first. We'll do enable now. Okay, now no configure terminal. Yeah, we are just in terminal. We are terminal. We can just now come back. Now, so how to know whether how many routing we have to do? So IP route better. What happens? So IP. Wait. Oh, sorry. We are in real, no? So IP route. Now see. For this router 1, okay, this is router 1. 21 is that this portion is connected, this portion is connected, and this portion is connected. So we have to just connect route for 40 and 10. Okay, so now get back into the configure terminal privilege mode. Now in privilege mode, IP route 10.0.0.0 255.0.0.0. Now what is the next hop for this? Tell me 20.0.0.1. Okay, it is good. When happy. Okay, hit enter. And for this one, next hop will be 2, but it will be 31. and here it will be 40. Now come back, exit from here. So RP route. Now everything is done perfectly. Okay, now try to ping from this to any other network available out there. What do you think? See, success rate. Now you can ping any network from any device to any network. I can ping from here to here. Like PC0 can ping PC4, PC0 can ping PC5, PC0 can ping router 2, router to any port, either it is 0/1 or 0/0. PC1 can ping router 1, router 2, PC4, PC3, PC2, anyone ping can ping. See, suppose this only I'm trying. I'm trying. Tell me which you want to ping. See once and tell me. Let's ping PC5. Okay. 40.0.0.3. Okay, what happening here? 40.0 timeout. Why happening? Wait, wait. Okay, this was the first package, so it was just finding the route and all that. Maybe like that it happens. So now you just see I'm pinging, I'm getting reply. Okay, maybe in your case also it will happen. It is when it is the first packet, so it get lost like that. Okay, so now 10. Try PC0 pinging. I'm pinging from PC2. Okay, so PC2, PC0 I'm pinging. Okay, see getting reply. Now ping router 0 terminal at port 0/0. Okay, so now see hit into getting reply. Okay, so this is what you are getting. Now from this PC you try ping 10.0.0. Tell me which IP is this. We are pinging this one, so it will take time. Wait, let me get into now. Once again, now try. Okay, this is what I'm getting now. Okay, so from this now ping PC3. Okay, ping PC3 50.0.0.3, right? Okay, ping. Okay, in the same case into it and just now getting reply. Okay, no, because first ping take time, so why to give time? Just enter and come back. These are some data you get. Okay, so that is the other concept. Okay, so now the host are reachable. Now we are done what we wanted to do. So yeah, you just now enjoy. And what else I can say? Like if you feel like any questions or any doubt, you can try to rewatch previous video also available in which I have made connection between two different networks. This is a bit tough than that. Three networks. If you want to experiment, then don't jump directly. First, see what I have for easy method. I have used the class A network only. Okay, so that I can do fastly, right? You can do one thing like just first prepare for two different networks and use IP from different classes. Particularly, we use class up to class 3 only. Other two classes are not for the public use, like that you can say. So you can use some IP you can use from class C, other can use class B, and other can use class A. And on the basis of that, you can prepare a network, assign IPs, so you can have better understanding of IPs also. And if you need any videos regarding the classes, you can comment down. I will just make a video on that. Okay. So yeah, hope this helps you. Try to solve or try to make connection, establish connection. Any help you need, then comment down in. Okay.